I'm not sure if you can hear that or see it. This is North Carolina, April 21st. Out in a wintry mix, snow, sleet, rain, 40 degrees. This is day 5. That's what the hiking's like today. Came up to a big peak. What was that builder's name, Cam? Howard McDonald, a 2015 memorial to Master Trail Builder. We're just coming down from that. As of right now, we have walked 300 miles. Woohoo! Anything to say, Churn?
It's a long way.
Well, but we only have 1,893 miles to Katahdin.
Sure.
The view for today. Beautiful. Sorry I didn't do more filming yesterday, but as you would have it, it was 30 degrees and the battery didn't want to play and I didn't want to mess with it. We made it this far. Having a great time. So 19.6 2 days ago, 23 miles yesterday. Just feeling good.
We were on top of Bald Mountain. The wind was pretty bad, so I didn't record any audio. But it was just beautiful, the ice crystals on the grass and in the trees. What an incredible 360 view that we had.
Right, where are we?
Mile 335.4, just northeast, or actually we're southwest of Uncle Johnny's Nolichuck at a stealth site.
Got the tent set up and there's the Appalachian Trail. We'll be heading that way towards it's the sunset right now tomorrow morning. Day 7, April 23rd, 2021. Just out walking on the trail on our way into Uncle Johnny's Nolichuck Hostel. Day early. We did 60 miles over the last 3 days. Here's how rugged I look. Being on the trail for 7 days, I am ready for a shower. Even though I had a shower 3 days ago, I'm ready for another one. Alright, well there's the first view that we have of the Nolichuck River as we come down into Irwin, Tennessee. Churn, getting some pictures.
What's up?
Okay, this is the second view of the Nolichucky River. There's a bridge going into town. Out yonder is Irwin, Tennessee. And there's the best view of the Nolichucky River so far. That is beautiful. What a day. Just came down and heading along the river here. Right down to Uncle Johnny's Nolichucky Hostel. It's a beautiful day.